interior function of vehicles. First, the exterior function. The headlights. Headlights help you see the road at night or in the dark places. Second, the license plate. Show car's registration and number for identification. Third is the indicator lights. Blinks to show the direction left or right when turning. Fourth is the windshield. Windshield, the front glass that protects the driver and passenger from wind, dust, and debris. Fifth is the outside mirror. Lets the driver see the vehicles or objects at the sides and behind. Six is the door handle, used to open and close the door car. Seven is the wheel support, helps the car move and support the vehicle's weight. And eight is the window, allows you to see outside and can be opened for air. And the last is the roof, top parts of the car that protects passengers from sun and air. This is the interior function. First, steering wheel. This one, used by the driver to control and turn the direction of the car. Second, speedometer. Show how fast the car is moving. Third, accelerator or gas pedal. Makes the car go faster when fast. Next, ignition case. Used to start the car's engine. Next, the brake. This one. Slow down or stop the car. Next is the seat belt. Keeps the driver and passenger safe during sudden stop or accidents. The gear shift lever. Used to change gears, example, drive, reverse, or neutral. Next, the rear view mirror. Lets the driver see the road and vehicle behind the car. And last, the horn. Used to alert or warn others, drivers, or people on the road. That's all, and thank you for listening.